Hi, my name is Melissa and this is
Roobens.
my name is Georgia. And we are here today to teach you some household vocabulary in Creole and English. In English, we say toilet paper.
Toilet paper.
So na Creole ou abdila papier toilette.
Papier toilet.
And in English, we say toilet
Toilet.
paper.
And that's the toilet paper. Yes.
In English, we say towel. Towel.
Towel. And Creole, we say serviette.
Serviette. Serviette?
Oui.
Oh.
And that's the serviette for bath to use.
You use it in the bathroom to take a shower or a bath. Towel.
Towel, serviette.
Serviette. In English, we say toothbrush.
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 Mhm.
And Creole, we say brosse d'eau.
Brosse dents.
Brosse d'eau. And then brosse d'eau mean,
Brush your teeth.
yep. And d'eau mean is your teeth.
And brosse is the brush.
Oui.
In English, we say toothpaste. Toothpaste.
Toothpaste. And Creole, we say pat.
Pat. Pat and toothpaste. In English, it's underwear.
Underwear. And Creole is culotte.
Culotte for girls et caleçon for boys. Culotte,
Culotte,
caleçon,
casson,
and underwear.
and underwear.
In English, we say flip-flops.
Flip-flop.
Sandal and flip-flop. English and Creole.
Yeah, zanmi mean is French. French Creole.
It's French Creole.